Hi guys, so today I am working on my 370 GT. Yeah, there's gonna be a few things I need to change. I think the main thing is I'm gonna be replacing these TTCR strut brace with the Cusco one. At the back you can't really see, but one of the problems I had was it would rub, the strut brace would rub against the engine cover. Everything just wouldn't really line up properly. So today we will be changing the strut brace. So I've basically replaced it with this. The new Cusco hardware are all in here. Yep. You probably wouldn't need to remove this many things if you were stock. But here we go. So I'll put the plate in first. Yeah, that looks about right. Yep. So it sits a lot further back, I believe, compared to the TTCR one that I had. So there should be no fitment issues this time. Okay, so everything is done. Yeah, the Cusco bar sits quite perfect, honestly. The engine cover, perfect clearance. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. Quite happy with it so far. Just gonna do a cold start. So this is my 370.